Good morning. I'm Joe Liscotti. Thank you for coming back. I wanted to talk to you today about another experience that's very important in the art world, and that's the use of lights and darks, or it's part of the grayscale, which everyone in the art world knows you need to know at least 3 different values in order to make something look three-dimensional. So I'm going to give you some examples of what I'm talking about, because color changes aren't necessarily what makes a picture a picture. What it does is it makes the picture only if the lights and darks are sure. Therefore, I'll show you here. There's a colored picture painted, and here it is, the same picture done in black and white. I'll give you a couple of other examples. Here's where this happens to be a chalk. This is the chalk that's in color, and this is the copy that's just shades of gray, or part of the grayscale. And that makes the difference in artwork. It's not color changes, it's value changes. Value meaning the strength of the color, whether it be light or dark. Here's another one. This one is a Venice, of course, and as you can see, there's the painting. And here's the painting in black and white, which is the most important thing to make the picture what the picture is, rather than the color changes. Color changes are not the necessary part of artwork. People think that making changes in color are going to make changes in the value of the picture, when in fact, I'll show you again, that's not the case. The case is making the colors a value, and then show the fact that the artwork in color is only changes of value. And that brings us back again to the value scale. Notice it goes from white to black in all of the grays in between, and you need to determine which of these are going to make the painting or the artwork make the painting or the artwork stand on its own. It's the lights and darks and the contrasts of these lights and darks that make the picture dynamic. It makes the viewer see what it is you're doing, because in fact what you've done is, as an artist, you take a flat 2-dimensional piece of paper and you make a 3-dimensional picture out of it, which almost is like magic if you think about it, because what it was a plain piece of white paper. Suddenly you put all these marks on it, and you suddenly realize that it has things in it like trees or houses or people, and that's what makes the difference between lights and darks. So lights and darks are very important to every artist that does this kind of work. You might also find that doing this for long periods of time cause you to sort of understand the fact that you have to build your painting on the basis of where the lights and darks belong, such as in this particular piece down here. It shows 3-dimensional because it has a light, a middle tone, and a dark, and that's what makes it look 3-dimensional. All of that happens in all of the rest of the paintings that you do, and the lights and darks are going to make the difference as to how you see the picture. Then and only then would it be required to put color on it. Okay? And once again, we'll go through that one more time. There it is in black and white. I'm sorry, there it is in color. There it is in black and white. Same painting, same picture, but the strength of this picture is in its lights and darks rather than in its color. And that's what we do today for helping you to do your art better than you have in the past. Think of the grayscale and the lights and darks to make your picture a 3-dimensional quality. Thank you.